and today we are going to be planting some potatoes. So I have a big bag of potatoes here, guys, and they have the chips on them. If you guys can see, it's a lot. Some of them are going bad, so I am going to plant some of these in a container. So I have my holes in the container, and I'm just going to go in and start filling the container with my garden soil and get these potatoes planted today. I have some already growing in the garden already, but we're going to get these growing also. Waste not, want not. So for right now, the soil is right there. See that? Right there. All right. So what we're gonna do is gonna take one if I can get it up out of here, 2 and 1 more, 3. So we're gonna take 3 potatoes. If you guys can see, let me bring you down. All right, so you guys can see them in there like so. I'm gonna move them back. All right, so you see them in there like that. And then I'm just going to cover them up. Probably cover the bucket to about halfway. Press the soil down just a little, not too hard. All right, so guys, if you like the content that I am bringing you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell. So the soil is right here, and that is the potatoes, guys. So I have some in the garden that is growing, and now I have these in the container right here. So as I was saying, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the notification button, the bell, so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So let me go back in because I forgot to add my bone meal. Is this it? Blood meal. I'm sorry. I forgot to add my blood meal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the soil out. And you too can be a gardener. This is my 3rd season growing, guys, so I forget sometimes too. So I'm just going to take a handful of that blood meal, and I'm just going to sprinkle it in, kind of massage it in with the soil. All right, and then I'm going to add my soil back in. Hey, it don't matter if you forget, as long as you go in and fix the problem. All right, so now my soil has some good nutrition, some good food in it to feed the plant. So this is blood meal. It has an NPK of 1400. So this is a good source of nitrogen. All right, I put that on there so the rodents don't get into it, because just like you want to eat it, other things like this stuff. This is actual blood from animals. So the mice and everything else want to eat this too. So I just put a clamp on it and put it in a plastic bag. All right, guys, so that is my potatoes. So don't forget, guys, share me with your friends and your family. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the family, guys. So until I see you guys in another video, peace.